Okay, I'm back. Let's get started with part 2 of the lab for us. My name is Ricardo. This is for Computer 125 with Mr. Nguyen. So, let's continue. I'm already past part F. I put the background red, and now I am on. I closed the personalization window, so now the background should be red. We're going to click the registry editor window. Where can I find that reg editor, right? Okay. Yes. I think I was already there. On your keyboard, press F5 to refresh. Okay, let's do that. F5. Looks like it refreshed. Got it. What is the data value of the background? Compare the new value in the registry to the value saved in blue background.reg. So now the new background data value looks to be 232 by 17 by 35. I think I did save a picture of it, so let's check our downloads. Sorry, it was desktop. It's under pictures. There you go. Open that up. It is at 0.99.177. Not sure if you guys can see that. So it did change. You can see the difference. Okay, so that's done for step 3. Now we're going to continue to step 4. Step 4 says import a registry file. Let's go ahead and do that. You will import the blue background.reg file to change the desktop background back to blue in the registry editor window. Click File, Import. Okay, File, Import. Locate and click the blue back. Okay, and then click Open. Okay, so that should be on your desktop. Click there and click Open. Says the keys and values containing location users, IT users, blah blah blah, have been successfully added to the registry. Cool. Okay. So the registry editor informational message opens, lets you know that keys and values have been successfully added to the registry. Click OK. Perfect. Okay, now the lab is asking us what is the data value of the background. So now it's back to 0.99.177. However, the desktop is still red. Restart the computer. Let's go ahead and restart the computer, I guess. Power, restart. Let's see what happens. We're gonna wait for this virtual lab to restart. Now we're gonna log in. I think it's ITE password with capital. Oh, sorry, shouldn't say that. All right, just waiting on the computer to restart. Looks like it's back. Go ahead and I can't even find. All right, there you go. Let's go ahead and log in. See what color it is. Oh, it's back to blue. So it does look like it took the reg edit. Change. Okay. Part E. Or sorry, question E. Reset display properties background to the original settings. How do we do that? I mean, it looks like it's already back at blue. That was usual. Advanced display, maybe? No. Looks like it was already there. So we're going to close all open windows. Let's see. Delete the custom console IT user console and the blue package file. Okay, we're going to go ahead and delete these. Delete. And delete. Delete the custom console. Alright, yeah. Why would it be beneficial to add snap-ins into the MMC there for other computers on the network? Let's pause that. Sorry guys, I'm back. Let's start with the reflection questions or reread it. Why would it be beneficial to add snap-ins to the MMC that are for other computers on the network? I think it could be just because when you have different monitors or don't have access to the right monitor, you can control these computers through that way. I think that's the answer. I'm not completely sure, entirely sure. Number 2, after restarting the computer, why was the desktop color changed? Oh, that was since because we did upload the blue background regedit file into the registry, so it did have a different value there, and it didn't read it until we finally restarted it. Once we restarted the computer, it took the regedit value. I do believe that's the answer for that one. And that's going to sum it up. That was 2 parts. My second part to the lab for Computer 125, NetLab Cisco IT Essentials version 7, System Utilities. Thank you.